Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn Webtoon into English. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this bottom right button, these three dots. Click on it right now. And once you guys click on it, you will be redirected to this page. From here, simply search for a button like this. This is in fact setting. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. The very first thing that you're gonna see is your account and the username. Now just below email, you can see something called as options. Normally it is options. And the very first thing that you will find is this. This is the content language. Click on it. Now as you guys can see, these are the language settings. Currently it is on Spanish, so I'm gonna click on it. Once you guys do that, once again, select the language of your choice. But for this video, I'm gonna select English. And guys, that is it. That's how we change Webtoon back into English. Well guys, this is it. As you guys can see, the content language has been changed to English. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.